To the Philippines now, where the death toll from Monday's magnitude 6.1 earthquake that hit the north has risen to 16 rather. Well, authorities say the death toll could rise as rescuers scramble to reach some 24 people feared buried under a collapsed building. The hard-hit province of Pampanga also saw its airport, several churches, and other structures damaged. Following the first quake, a magnitude 6.5 tremor struck the central province of Eastern Samar. No casualties and damage have been reported so far.